three-time defending champions. From winning this opening match of the group. Wow. Oh! Yeah, he's pleased with that example. Wonderful play.
Going in this second game, and that's a terrific match from the back of the court. Really got.
He points away from their third consecutive title here in Ford. Just wide. One has a feeling it's in favour of the defending champions.
Focused. Play the drop shot too late. Yeah, that's well played by the Indian. Never really very when there it was, and he was forced to. He couldn't continue on that one.
Tried to make it too steep.
Fifteen, 13.
Get to him on a mental part as well. But I mean, it's not a new situation. It's a situation that he's used to, and
Very well.
Goodness. And then right forward. Oh yes, clever.
shots.
But
You have
then
to
where
try and outmaneuver him at the net.
Where do the winners come from? Because we think of
The winners come from Sukamulya, from backcourt, midcourt, so Now
that-
here when they Gideon at the back court, but if it's flat game or a little.
The super smash, it really was. Absolutely in the middle of the rack.
Oh yes. The crouch defence. Very possible to defend and good placement. That was a wise one. Well, one game a point at peace.
Too wide.
It's a battle. Take your eye off this for a second. You have to have long rallies to really be entertained.
Looking at Gideon, I was just looking at the two Chinese players after that rally, the channel. And oh, goodness, Sukumorio, 170, 5'7". Oh, look at that. Oh, delightful. Just seems. Oh, goodness me. Doing the Sukumorio. Not a
Be much in it. Like jousting for position. Find a piece now. Snappy